Today's just one of those days you get plenty of wind. Been getting up into the 40s, some of the gusts. Some days we need to get a little extra ventilation forward in the boat. And this is how I do it. Put in upside down. Pushes the air forward. Gets that dead airspace moving. Yeah, it's just a good day to sit outside, right, Connor? Yeah, you go away. Is it just a little bit warmer there, buddy? Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of cold, isn't it? Well, it's starting to warm up. It's down to 63 or lower this morning. So, that'd be nice. But at least we're making some power. We weren't supposed to, but today's going to be a good day for it as long as the clouds stay out of the way. Might just be a good day to start taking some stuff apart and working on it. I'm not planning to get off the boat, so I'm at least going to work on some videos and maybe do some cleaning. But I'll catch you guys later.